Alright, so while I'm working on this lovely kinky twist for my client here, let me share something with you. It's a story, but also a lesson I had to learn the hard way about the kind of people you surround yourself with. Years ago, I had this friend, let's call her Bisi. Bisi and I were very close. We did everything together. Church together, market runs together. She was even one of the first people I shared my dream of starting up my own hair business with. But looking back now, I should have seen the red flags. Bisi had this funny way of looking down on my dreams. Anytime I told her about a new idea or a vision for my business, she would give me this look and say something like, "Are you sure that one is for people like us? Or you know people like us, not made for you?" I would laugh it off and tell myself, oh, she's just being realistic. Then one day, something happened, changed everything. I had saved up for months to get this hair steamer. I remember that feeling of holding the money in my hand and knowing I could finally afford something that would help my client. I was excited, so I rushed to tell this thing. But when I told her, she didn't congratulate me. Instead, she looked at me and said, "Hair steamer? For what now? Just like way more than yourself." She laughed, but it wasn't this kind of laugh that made me feel, no, it was the kind of laugh that makes you feel small. I remember that day clearly because it was the first time I truly felt the sting of her words. That moment I realized something important. Sometimes the people closest to you, the ones you think are supporting you, are actually pulling you down. You see, when people are not confident in their own dreams, they can start to feel threatened by yours. But I still didn't let go. I kept her around. After all, we have been friends for years, right? I didn't know better. Then there was a job I landed one time, a big job. I was supposed to do bridal hair for a wedding. All the bridesmaids and the bride herself, everyone, it was huge. I had been dreaming of a job like this for a long time. I shared the news with Bisi, expecting her to cheer me up, to share in my excitement. Do you know what she said? She said, "Hope you won't embarrass yourself with a big job like that. Are you sure you're ready?" And just like that, the excitement came from me. I started doubting myself, questioning if I was even capable. I was lingered with me and I almost cancelled that job because of that. But then, something happened. The night before the wedding, I was sitting alone, going over my tools, preparing for the next day, and I caught sight of myself in the mirror. I don't know what, but something in me just snapped. I looked at myself, and it was like a light switch on. I thought, who am I to let someone else's insecurity make me doubt my own ability? I took a deep breath at night and decided, no more. I will go for that job, give it my best, and see what happens. And guess what? The wedding went smoothly. The bride was happy. The bridesmaids looked gorgeous. And the best part, the confidence I felt afterwards, no words can describe it. After that, I decided to take a step back from Bisi. I didn't cut her off immediately, but I started creating some distance. It wasn't easy. People like that, they know how to trip you, make you feel bad for choosing yourself. She would call and say, "So because of small success, you don't know people again." But this was bigger than success. It was about my peace, my growth. Sometimes, no matter how much history you have with someone, if they keep making you feel small, you have to choose yourself and move on. I learned that the hard way. But you know the funniest part? After I distanced myself, I began to attract people who actually believed in me. Clients, other friends who encouraged me, who pushed me to dream bigger, and my business started growing in ways I couldn't have imagined. So as I finish up this twist on my client here, my advice to you is this: if someone keeps belittling you, making you doubt your own abilities, it's okay to let them go. Don't let anyone make you feel like your dreams. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, not the ones who drag you down. Look at this twist here. Look at this twist here, just perfect. Smooth, tight, and shiny. That's how your life will be. When you let go of people holding you back. Life is too short to keep people around who don't believe in you. You owe it to yourself to create a space for growth and joy. So next time someone tries to make you feel so small, remember you're meant for greatness. You don't have to prove anything to anyone. Just keep twisting, keep growing, and watch how beautiful things turn out. If you love the story you just listened to now, don't forget to like, share, comment, and follow for more. Bye for now.